Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to Nine Nar Trees podcast. Today, I will summarize and review the book. Stop Checking. The Price is a financially enlightening read designed for beginners who aspire to navigate the often daunting world of investment. Authored by J.F. Dodaro, this book provides a refreshing take on stock trading by recommending a strategy focused on simplicity and efficiency. Unlike traditional approaches that often encourage constant monitoring of stock prices and market trends, Dodaro's method advocates for a calmer, more strategic way to invest. By proposing a model that emphasizes quality over quantity and tactical trading only 4 times a year, the book empowers novice investors to make informed decisions without getting overwhelmed by the daily fluctuations of the stock market. The author draws upon his extensive experience in the financial sector to provide practical advice and actionable steps for readers to achieve financial independence and build their investment portfolio steadily. This book serves not just as a guide on how to invest, but also as a mindset shift for individuals anxious about the unpredictable nature of the stock market. With clear explanations and savvy insights, Stop Checking the Price is an essential read for anyone looking to cultivate a steady and sustainable approach to wealth accumulation through investing. I will give you key takeaways from this book. Firstly, the importance of a long-term investment mindset. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, many investors get bogged down by the day-to-day fluctuations of the stock market. J.F. Dodaro emphasizes that embracing a long-term mindset is crucial for successful investing. This approach encourages individuals to focus on their overall financial goals and not get distracted by short-term volatility or market noise. By adopting a long-term perspective, investors are less likely to make hasty decisions driven by fear and anxiety caused by market dips. This can result in better investments, increased capital growth, and a more secure financial future. The long-term investment mindset also fosters resilience, allowing investors to endure market changes without panic selling or second-guessing their strategies. Furthermore, long-term investing facilitates a deeper understanding of trends and overall market behavior, providing valuable insights to make informed choices that align with one's financial objectives. Secondly, the power of minimal trading. One key principle shared in Stop Checking the Price is the notion of minimal trading, executing trades only 4 times a year. Dodaro explains that excessive trading can lead to unnecessary costs, such as commissions, fees, and taxes, which diminish overall returns. By simplifying the process and limiting trading frequency, investors can hone their focus on quality stocks that are likely to generate genuine long-term growth. This strategy encourages thorough research before making a trade, rather than knee-jerk reactions to market news or trends. It encourages an analytical mindset, where each decision is based on in-depth evaluation and a sound understanding of the investment landscape. Additionally, minimal trading allows investors to avoid the common pitfalls of market timing, where many attempt to buy low and sell high, but often fail to predict market movements accurately. By committing to a structured trading schedule, investors can minimize risks and enhance their chances for productive outcomes, resulting in a more straightforward path to building their portfolio. Thirdly, selecting winning stocks. Criteria and analysis. Dodaro doesn't leave readers in the dark about how to identify the right stocks for investment. One of the cornerstones of Stop Checking the Price is the comprehensive guidance on selecting winners based on specific criteria. This includes evaluating a company's fundamentals, such as earnings growth, market position, and financial health. By showing readers how to analyze these parameters, Dodaro empowers novice investors to make sound decisions rooted in concrete data, rather than fleeting market trends. The author emphasizes the need to investigate both qualitative aspects, like brand strength and customer loyalty, along with quantitative factors such as price-to-earnings ratios. This balanced approach enables investors to build a portfolio that boasts a mix of stability and growth potential. Throughout the book, practical case studies and examples are provided to illustrate successful investment strategies and offer applicable learnings for various market conditions. Fourthly, psychological aspects of investing. The psychological nuances of investing play a critical role in making sound financial decisions. Dodaro effectively addresses the mental and emotional barriers that hinder successful investing. By breaking down how emotions like fear, greed, and impatience can cloud judgment, The author sets the stage for investors to cultivate a more disciplined approach. He encourages readers to adopt strategies for managing their emotions, such as setting predefined trading plans, maintaining a trading journal, and practicing patience. Acknowledging psychological pitfalls is essential, as investing can be as much about mental discipline as it is about financial acumen. The book also highlights the value of stepping back during market turmoil and adhering to a well-structured plan instead of impulsively reacting to market changes. This chapter serves as a reminder that a calm and rational approach will often yield better results than a stress-fueled one, reinforcing the idea that successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Lastly, building financial independence. Through smart investing, at the heart of Stop Checking, the price is the concept of financial independence and the relationship between strategic investing and long-term wealth. Dodaro inspires readers to envision a future where their financial decisions contribute meaningfully to their personal and family goals. The author elucidates how systematic investments can lay the groundwork for substantial wealth accumulation while allowing individuals to take control of their financial destiny. He discusses the compounding power of investments over time, illustrating how starting early and leveraging profit reinvestment can accelerate financial growth. Moreover, Dodaro emphasizes that financial independence can also lead to greater personal freedom, enabling individuals to spend time pursuing their passions, supporting charitable causes, or even retiring early. Through careful investing and avoiding common pitfalls, readers can forge a path toward a sustainable financial future, making the book an essential guide for those seeking to enhance their financial literacy and make wise investment choices. In conclusion, Stop Checking. The price is a vital resource for beginners who are keen on entering the world of investing without feeling overwhelmed. The book's structured approach, combined with easy-to-understand concepts, empowers newly minted investors to take control of their financial futures with confidence. Anyone seeking to avoid the pitfalls common to new investors, such as constant price checking, undue stress about market volatility, and impulsive trading behavior, will find Dodaro's advice invaluable. The book not only outlines a straightforward plan to begin investing, but also cultivates a mindset of patience, discipline, and strategic planning. By focusing on long-term objectives and minimizing unnecessary trades, readers can set themselves up for sustainable financial growth. This makes it a compelling read for those looking to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck and embarking on a journey to financial independence. Investing does not need to be a dizzying experience filled with anxiety. Rather, it can be a well-thought-out and straightforward process. Everyone, especially those who are new to investment, could greatly benefit from the knowledge imparted within this book and learn to embrace a structured, fruitful approach to trading and wealth building. If you would like to support J.F. Dodaro, you can buy the book through the Amazon link I've provided in the podcast description. After reading the book, please let me know what you think and share your thoughts. See you around.